Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the displacement tool, the displace elements tool in Revit. And so the first thing you want to do, this is a pretty cool tool in my opinion, but you can see with this one we've already displaced, but we're going to reset that so that we can go through the process. But so the first thing you want to do when you displace elements is you want to click on the objects that you want to displace, and let's say we're going to do the roof on this one. So we're going to grab the roof, and then we're going to go up to this button up here that says displace elements, and we'll go and click on that, and then three arrows, directional arrows, pop up in which you can pull this object. And so what we're going to do, we're going to pull the roof up, and then we'll pull it up right there. And something I think would be pretty cool for this application of this is to separate all your different floors, in your structure or in your building. And to do that, you just grab all these different walls, and you don't want to forget about the floor. Go ahead and grab these. And so once you have all your elements that you want to displace out of your building, you would do the same thing. You hit this displace elements button, and then it pops up the arrows, and you can drag it up. And so what we'll do is we'll drag this one even further up, and you can move it in different directions too if you wanted to, but this one will pull up even more. And you can even do that with all your different floors, and all the different objects within your building. But that is basically how you displace your elements. I like it because it gives you a view of all your different things, your layouts, without having to like hide the roof to see inside or hide other objects to see inside. This is just a neat way of kind of almost dissecting your building. But thank you for watching.